Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a cool iPhone hack. As you could see, my password is 3333. I'm going to mark that with an eye pencil. Now, unlock the phone, go to the settings, select accessibility. Now voice control and turn the feature on. Now tap customize command, create new command, type in any words you like to unlock the phone. Tap action and then run custom gesture. Here you could tap on the password. As you could see, I have marked my password. I am tapping on that. And make sure that you save the command. Now go to the home screen. Now on the lock screen, I can just say magic to open my phone just using my voice. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for such cool hacks.